Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple and very pretty baby blanket pattern. I made that with repeat of 2 rows only and with several yarns. You can make it with one yarn if you want. This is the front view of that and this is the back view. If you're ready, let's get started. I start my work with a slip knot and then make chains. These chains should be a multiple of 16 plus 5. I made 53 chains and now start the first row. Skip 1, 2 and 3 chain as first double crochet and then go to 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, insert hook into that, yarn over, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through 2. I made 1 incomplete double crochet. Again, yarn over, go to next chain and yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2, the second incomplete double crochet, yarn over, go to the next chain and repeat that work. And now I have 3 incomplete double crochet and 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Then go to next 5 chains and make 1 double crochet into each of them. Okay, after these 5 double crochets, go to next chain and make 2 double crochet, 1 and again 1 double crochet into same chain, then make 2 chain and make 2 double crochet into same chain again, 1 and 2, then make 1 double crochet into each of next 5 chains. Now, make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 5 chains, yarn over, insert hook into next chain, and pull through 2. Don't complete that. Again, go to next chain and make 1 incomplete double crochet, and repeat that work for next 3 chains. Make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of them. Now, I have 5 incomplete double and 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. And we have to repeat this work from here until here. Make 1 double crochet into each of next 5 chains. Then make 2 double, 2 chain and 2 double into next chain here. Then make 1 double into each of next 5 chains again. And make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 5 chains and collect them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on the hook. I made 1 repeat, and I have to repeat this work until the end of the row. Okay, now I'm at the end, and I repeat this sequence, but because I am at the end of the row, I don't make these 5 incomplete at the end of the row, and I have 4 chain left, and make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them, and make 1 double crochet into last chain. And row 1 is finished. And now start row 2 with 2 chains. Turn the work and skip the first stitch and go to next stitch, that's 3 incomplete double crochet, and make 1 front post single crochet around that. Insert the hook around this stitch and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then go to next double crochet and make 1 front post single crochet. Again, 1 front post single around the next, and we have to make 1 front post single crochet around each stitch of previous row. And make 2 chain at top of these chain 2 space, 1 and 2, and again make 1 front post single crochet around each stitch. And when I reach this decrease stitch with 5 incomplete double crochet, again insert the hook around that under 5 incomplete doubles and make 1 front post single crochet, and again make 1 front post single crochet around each of next stitches and make chain 2 space at top of the chain 2 space of previous row, and repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Okay, now I'm at the end, and I have to make 1 front post single crochet around these 3 incomplete double, and make 1 normal single crochet into 3rd chain of these beginning chains. And fasten off and cut the yarn. I want to continue my work with second yarn. So make a slip knot with next yarn and turn the work. Attach the yarn into first stitch, and make 3 chain again as first double crochet of this row. Then make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook, and make 1 normal double crochet into each of next 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I want to make 2 double, 2 chain, and 2 double into this space of previous row and this space of 2 rows below. Okay, grab these 2 space together and work into both of them. Yarn over, insert hook into both space and make 1 double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet into same spaces, then make 2 chain, and again 2 double into same spaces, 1 and 2. Then make 1 double crochet into each of next 5 stitches of previous row. Okay, then make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 5 stitches of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on the hook, and repeat this sequence from here until here. Make 1 double crochet into each of next 5 singles, then grab chain to space of previous row with chain to space of 2 rows below and work into both of them. Make 2 double, 2 chain, and again 2 double. And then make 1 double crochet into each of next 5 stitches, then make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 5 stitches and collect them together, and repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 3 and make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 3 stitches of previous row. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook, and make 1 double crochet into second chain of these 2 beginning chains here. This 1 chain counts as 1 single crochet. Okay, now row 3 is finished. Start next row with 2 chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. First make 1 front post single crochet around this decrease stitch, and then make 1 front post single crochet around each of next stitches, and after these 7 front posts make 2 chain at top of next chain to space, and again make 1 front post single around each of next stitches and this decrease stitch with 5 incomplete double crochet, and again continue this work and make 1 front post single crochet around each stitch until the end, and 1 chain to space at top of each chain to until the end of the row. At the end of row 4, make 1 double crochet into third chain of beginning chains of previous row, and then fasten off and cut the yarn and start next row with next yarn. We have to repeat this work and repeat these 2 rows, row 3 and row 4, several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size, and at the end of each 2 rows we have to change the yarn. Okay, I repeated those 2 rows several times, and now this is my pretty pattern. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.